Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. So today I'm not feeling so good. I'm talking really loud right now because this camera mic is not good and I don't have my Rode mic on here, so I'm talking really loud. I just been feeling really sick, under the weather today, so I haven't really done much. I haven't been able to go out. I've just been resting to get ready for the work week. Yeah, I've been laying on the couch, just drinking tea, taking medicine, watching the Vikings win. That's what's up! And other than that, I haven't really done anything. I've just been relaxing, trying to get better. So I really don't have a vlog, but I will go ahead and post this video of me flying my FPV drone. This is my first real trippy spin that I did. So a trippy spin is when your drone basically goes upside down and you fly in a circle around an object upside down, inverted. It is, I would say, probably one of the hardest tricks or harder tricks to master with a real drone. It's definitely not a beginner move. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you this clip. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for more vlogs come in. Once I feel better, I'll definitely be getting out more and doing more things. So yeah, enjoy it, and I'm going to drop the video now.